Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and updates. Today, we're talking about a crucial Windows update, KB5043131. Let's break down what it is, what it fixes, and why you should care. Section 1. What is KB5043131? First off, what exactly is KB5043131? This is a cumulative update released by Microsoft for various versions of Windows. It typically includes security improvements, bug fixes, and sometimes new features. It's important to stay up to date with these patches to ensure your system runs smoothly and securely. Section 2. Key fixes and improvements. So, what's included in this update? Here are some key fixes and improvements. Security enhancements. Protects against vulnerabilities that could be exploited by malware. Performance improvements. Users have reported better system responsiveness post-update. Bug fixes. Addresses issues like random crashes and connectivity problems. Always a good sign when they tackle those pesky bugs. Section 3. How to install the update. Now, how do you install KB5043131? It's simple. Just head over to your Windows settings. Click on Update and Security, then check for updates. If it's available, just hit Download and install. Make sure to restart your computer afterward to apply the changes. Section 4. Common issues and troubleshooting. While most updates go smoothly, sometimes you might encounter issues. Here are a few common problems and how to fix them. Installation fails. Try running the Windows Update Troubleshooter. System slowdown. If your PC feels sluggish, a simple restart can often resolve it. Error messages. Look up the error code on the Microsoft support site for specific solutions. Staying proactive can save you a lot of headaches. That wraps up our look at the KB5043131 update. Make sure you keep your system up to date for the best performance and security. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it useful. And, of course, hit that subscribe button for more tech tips, tutorials, and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.